I would really be interested if they put in a limit on the number of ships you could bring from a respective nation for clan battles. Like max 2 per nation. That'd be fun.
Would it even affect us? Yeah, it would.
We have 3 Russians.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we could easily put a Yamato instead of Kremlin. Call
Yeah.
it good.
Sub-Zero, I don't know. Should you? I don't know. Sometimes we would park the Des Moines like where you are to be able to shoot through there. Once we spot this Des Moines that's going to post up there. Yep, there he is. That's what he's kind of doing.
Speak of the devil.
He hit radar
This
immediately.
is radar. Yeah.
Can we spot him? Hydra?
No, this guy's
Might be able to try.
I can do a radar if you want. Oh, no,
There he
I don't
is.
need it.
I can farm him for a bit before these Henrys get around and distract me.
Citadel.
1 fire.
Nice.
Henry.
I'm backing up to spot him. This radar is going to be going down soon. Closest ship to me is there.
Henry.
Radar's down.
Might be a DD rushing 9 line.
There's a DD here, I'm reasonably confident.
Yeah, looks like
He just
gearing.
looked up.
2 sets.
5 torps.
Torpit, hit the DD.
At the mine, it's backed up very far right now.
Can we get him?
I hit the DD with a torp right here.
You hit Shima then. That'll be the Shima.
I'm spotted by Henry, or maybe a DD out on 910.
Hey, he's gonna go.
It's
He's gonna
probably
go up the
gearing.
line. It's Shema.
No, Shima's over here.
Shima's
You guys
at
have
sea.
gearing on your side. Yep.
I'm being radared, that's a Minotaur.
I'm not gonna have Hydra much longer on that one. 10 seconds.
Just get as much damage on him as you can. If he backs up, I might be able to spot him. He's got 20.
There goes Hydra.
I probably hit the Minotaur with a torp, in all honesty.
His Hydra is gone. Or no, I'm out of range.
This Henry's pushing.
Des Moines
He's
moving
bow
up.
in, turning out.
Des Moines coming up.
Yeah, the
Yeah, I
mine's
see
going through mid, it looks like.
Yeah, I see him. I see him.
Ready for that?
Kremlin, you're gonna have to help me with that, Kremlin. Do you have a shot right here, Kremlin?
Yeah.
This
I'm
Henry
backing up
keeps
to get
turning in.
started.
Can we murder this guy? Gearing.
Radar.
Oh my god, I'm being spotted by the gearing. Can we push him away?
Minotaur.
Yeah, he might kill me here. The gearing was way too close.
Can anyone hit that Minotaur? Alright, so part of the problem here is we're all bunched up around right in the A cap. We have no angles.
Kremlin spotted.
Someone needs to move that in this direction.
We got to get someone out wide.
We need a cruiser here next time.
Yeah. Because
the DD
not
pretty
working.
much
Smalls try to get out there now.
The Shima is over here.
Because they're
Thomas,
just sitting on that
we're gonna keep
island
running
and they can
thunder.
hit us without any problems.
I'll switch to the Emmy, I think.
Yeah. It's too soft. Doesn't have a heal.
I got 3 ships targeting me.
Might hit a
Okay,
torp
yeah,
on the
see,
Henry.
now they're going this way.
Nope.
We're screwed because who's behind me? Meta? Is there any way? Oh fuck! I'm gonna get out of here.
I'll try to draw this fire.
They're running away from us at C. We won't be able to do
Do you
anything.
need the Kremlin to move towards A? Or shift position?
Okay.
Yeah, Kremlin go away.
Yep, Sar got flanked by the Henry.
Well, yeah. I mean, exactly. We have no one on that flank.
Get to Des Moines.
Kremlin, do you have shots to that one?
I just hit
Last
him.
time we had a bunch of people out further west. I'm not sure what happened this time.
Yep.
If you can
Like
finish
everyone
this
just
Des Moines
sat
off,
in the
that'll be
A-cap.
perfect.
I'm by the island, and there was like
Right.
2 other ships behind me.
Radar by the
He's
Minotaur.
backing out.
I might get a big hit torpedo in this Kremlin.
I hope so. They do look good.
Indeed.
He's turning away. You're gonna get like five torps.
That might kill him. These are Shematorps.
Even more.
6.
Yeah, looks good.
Six.
6.
Damn.
4,300. Kill him,
DD,
kill him, kill him.
DD about to go into A.
It's repairing. The shots are going too long. You're hitting behind them. Browns are all landing behind them.
I'm gonna move forward here.
I got a fire.
There you go.
We need to start involving ourselves. We're losing too much HP.
3 fires.
Shima.
Watch the Henry.
Nice job.
Yeah, keep it up, Colbert. You're doing
I
good.
can keep Shima spotted for a long time. You guys we need to focus the fuck out of him. Radar.
Can we kill that Des Moines?
Gremlin's on 129 health. Just one
Anyone
shot.
shooting. Secondary hits him.
Koala's gonna have a shot.
Fucking RNG, dude.
They're Minotaurs. Yep, there he's got radar. I'm gonna go down here.
Anybody have a shot on the
They're
Kremlin?
Completely incompetent.
No, he's reversing.
Okay, well, we need to make a play.
Can we kill the gearing? Trade me for the gearing.
Take down that Des Moines.
Des Moines is dead.
Sub-Zero should kill the...
Anything.
Nice.
There we go. There we go.
Nice. Very good.
Nice.
Sub the
Wow.
Henry.
Get the minnow.
Don't get torped, sub.
I'm going to, but I'm gonna try and take him with me.
For the ram.
I don't need the ram. Fuck that. Oh, I do need a ram. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Shoot him.
Bouncy, bouncy.
I got shells on him.
No, I fucking beached. Turn the
Just
fucking
keep him
guns,
spotted,
Des Moines.
Saints.
Woo!
If Saints keeps him spotted, he's dead. Which, yeah. Can I finally get a kill? There we go.
Nice.
Okay.
What? Are we turning? Is this a turnaround?
Woo!
Holy
Is this
fuck,
what
boys.
the fuck?
Des Moines, Chase.
What?
Nice job, guys.
Just like a minute ago.
I was like, oh man, we're getting smashed. This is bad.
Felt like we were losing the whole time.
Yeah.
They threw
I don't
it.
know what that Kremlin... The Kremlin and Henri made it so easy for me to fuck them both.
How much
They're
damage did I do
probably
to
in
that
the
Kremlin?
same.
88K.
They're probably thinking the same thing. Like, what the hell happened?